LGAC water leakage issues solved, step-by-step fix. LGAC water leakage is usually fixed by cleaning the clogged drain pipe or filter, ensuring proper installation, leveling the unit, or fixing a damaged drain pan. Start by turning the unit off, then inspect and clear the condensate line and air filter, and if the issue persists, call a professional for deeper issues like refrigerant leaks or coil problems. Turn off and unplug. Always start by switching off the AC and unplugging it for safety. Clean air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow, causing coils to freeze and then melt excessively, leading to overflow. Clean or replace filters regularly. Inspect and clear drain line. Locate the condensate drain pipe, often PVC, near the indoor unit. Use a wet, dry vacuum or a brush, snake to clear any dust, mold, or debris blocking it. Check drain pan. Look for cracks or rust in the drain pan. A damaged pan will leak. Verify installation. Ensure the indoor unit is level, allowing water to flow correctly to the drain. When to call a professional. Low refrigerant. A refrigerant leak requires professional HVAC service. Frozen evaporator coils. If cleaning the filter doesn't help, the coils might be frosting due to low refrigerant or other issues. Damaged components. A professional can repair or replace damaged drain pans, pumps, or insulation.